Today, I'm going to show you how to add quote boxes in a Gamma presentation in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to highlight an important statement, add a testimonial, separate a key idea, or make a slide look more polished and professional. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Gamma tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, log in to your Gamma account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see your existing presentations. From here, select the presentation you want to edit. If you already have a deck open, you can also go directly into the slide where you want to add the quote box. Now click on the exact spot in the presentation where you want the quote box to appear. This is important because Gamma lets you place elements very precisely, so choosing the right location will help your slide stay clean and organized. After placing your cursor, type a /, which is the slash command shortcut in Gamma. As soon as you type /, Gamma will bring up a menu of content options. In the search bar, type Quotebox. You should now see the Quotebox option appear in the results. Select the Quotebox from the list, and Gamma will insert it directly into your presentation. Once the Quotebox appears, you can start editing it right away. Replace the sample text with your own quote, testimonial, or highlighted message. You can also adjust the wording to match your presentation style, whether you want it to sound formal, creative, inspirational, or simple and direct. If Gamma gives you formatting options, use them to fine-tune the look so it matches the rest of your slide design. You can also move the quote box around, resize it, and place it wherever it works best in your layout. For example, you might put it near the center of the slide for emphasis, or alongside other content if you want to create a balanced design. The goal is to make the quote easy to read and visually appealing. If your presentation includes multiple quotes, you can repeat the same process on other slides. Just click where you want the next quote box, type /, search quote box, and insert it again. This makes it very easy to keep your presentation consistent without having to build custom text elements from scratch every time. Another helpful tip is to keep your quotes short and impactful. In Gamma, quote boxes work best when the text is clear and focused, so try not to overload them with too much information. A strong quote or key takeaway will usually have more visual impact than a long paragraph. So, to quickly recap, log into Gamma, open the presentation you want to edit, place your cursor where the quote box should go, type /, search quote box, and then select and customize the quote box to fit your design. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more Gamma tutorials and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.